Hey there friends, it is me, HLModTech, and I'm back with another programming logo project. This is once again on my website at www.hlmodtech.com, and then programming logo. If you slide down, you will find the cool extras. You can see I've got links to the explanations for asteroid miner, Boink, dominoes, and light cycle. And now I'm going to give you the explanation for how to use the logo UI. Step 1 is to minimize that browser and find the MT Tools folder. When you double click it, look for the ModTech folder, and in ModTech we choose 01 Logo. Under Lesson 18, slide down and find the Logo UI, and then double click the shortcut to launch the Logo UI. Move your commander across to the side so you can get a hold of it, and then you can use the commands to draw on your screen. If you turn right 90, you can draw a simple square or rectangle. And then watch this. Once you get your rectangle completed, you can choose the pen up command, and you can turn to go in it. So notice I'm doing some right 30s. And if you move inside your shape and hit fill, it will fill in your shape. I'm going to go left 90 and I'm going to drive out. Simply do some forwards. I'm going to put my pen back down so it makes a mark. I'm going to put my pen down so it makes a mark. Nope, I do have to put the pen down. So now I'm making marks on the screen. This time I'm going to do a silly rectangle off to this side. Once again, a few forwards, another left 90, forward, left 90, forward, and one more left 90 to bring it home. Once again, I'm going to move inside that. I could draw my name. I could make anything funky, but I'm just going to go inside, do that pen up, forward, and I'm going to fill it one more time. Instantly go to home by hitting home. You can hide your turtle, show your turtle, and if you want, you can clear your screen. But it is just a fun drawing tool that you can check out and see if you can make something awesome on your logo screen. When you're done, simply hit the X to quit. Friends, if you found that useful, please hammer that like button. If you got a question or a comment, add it down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Mash that subscription button. And last but not least, hit the notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new movie from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.